Hello students, welcome to our channel Swami Classes. Today we are going to learn about 10th chapter of 8th Maths, Division of Polynomials. In this chapter there is a recall section also, means we have to learn these things: addition, subtraction, multiplication of algebraic expression. This one we have already learned in last standard, as well as I have done it in my previous lecture. इसके पहले का जो मेरा वीडियो है उसमें ऑलरेडी मैंने ये दिया है, फिर भी हम लोग एक बार ये प्रैक्टिस करेंगे. क्या है इसमें? 2a plus 3a, we can add easily this 2a plus 3a. 2a plus 3a, यहाँ पे दोनों भी टर्म्स में a कॉमन है, वेरिएबल इज कॉमन इन बोथ टर्म्स, so we can easily add this with this way 2 plus 3 and right here a has common. तो क्या आएगा? 2 plus 3, what is the 2 plus 3? 5. So answer is 5. Now let's do this one, the multiplication of these terms. 3x square plus 4y into 2x plus 3y. Here when we have to multiply these things, अगर ऐसा कुछ इक्वेशंस है, एक्सप्रेशंस है, वो हमको मल्टीप्लाई करना है, तो उसमें क्या करना पड़ेगा? We should multiply with this first term, right this way, 2x 3x square plus 4y plus 3y 3x square plus 4y. मतलब ये जो टर्म्स है इसको पहले ये से 2x से मल्टीप्लाई करना है, बाद में 3y से भी मल्टीप्लाई करना है, दोनों के बीच में एडिशन साइन होगा. सो नाउ लेट्स डू 2 3s are 6 x and x square x cube plus 2 4s are 8 x into y xy plus 3 3s are 9 y into x square, it is a x square y, and 3 4s are 12 plus 3 4s are 12 y into y square. In this way we got answer. When there is y and x, variables are different, but multiplication there will be no any type of the टेंशंस. ओके, मतलब हम लोग को कुछ भी उसमें टेंशन लेने की जरूरत नहीं. x स्क्वायर और y रहेगा, कुछ भी रहेगा वेरिएबल, तो उसका मल्टीप्लिकेशन आराम से होता है. ओके, सो लेट्स डू, सो दिस इज द आंसर ऑफ दिस क्वेश्चंस. Let's learn the next topic of this lesson. What is polynomials? When this algebraic expression have the index, and index is whole numbers, means it is index, and this index is whole number, so it's called the polynomial. It is very simple definition of this polynomial. When index is whole number, so it's called the polynomials. Understood? Now, so all of you know that monomial, binomial and polynomials. Polynomials is what? Two or more than two terms. It's called the polynomials. Okay. Now let's learn what is the degree of polynomials. Suppose there is a polynomials 2x raised to 4 plus 3x square plus 2x plus 15. It is polynomial because it have the whole number degree. Okay, whole number index. So what is the degree of polynomial? Degree means the highest index of the polynomial. It is the highest index. 4 is the highest index. Therefore, the degree of this polynomial is 4. It is very simple. This can be asked you for 1 mark questions. Let's learn division of monomial by monomial. Monomial is what? Single terms. So now we have to divide this one. With this, we will learn how to divide binomial and polynomials. It is very easy. So minus 9x, as regular practice we have to write this one, minus 9x minus 36x raised to 4. Now this is the minus 9x into something, and we want answer 36x raised to 4. So what we have to do? So first of all, पहले देखो 9 के जगह में 36 आता है, लेकिन इधर हमको आंसर भी माइनस चाहिए और ये भी माइनस है, so we must multiply with this plus. Minus into plus, then we got answer minus. We don't write here minus because if we do multiplication minus into minus, so answer will be the plus, but we here now want answer minus. So now 9 4s are 36 and 9 4s are 36, so we got 9 4s are 36. Now we want answer here x raised to 4, so here is only one x, so we have to multiply with this x cube, then we got answer x raised to 4. देखो इधर ध्यान से, 9 4 जा 36 और x से मल्टीप्लाई किया x क्यूब को तो ये हमको आएगा इंडेक्स 4, x raised to 4. So what we have to do here? Plus 4x cube. Don't write plus, only 4x cube. So 9 4 जा 36 minus 36 and x raised to 4. So this answer can be the minus. Okay, so answer can be the 0. In this way we can easily do the division of monomial by monomial. Let's learn the division of polynomial by monomial. Here is an example: 6x cube plus 8x square divided by 2x. As per regular practice, we have to write in this way: 6x cube plus 8x square. It is also very easy. We have to divide this one, the single term first. पहले एक-एक term को divide करते जाओ. So you can easily find out 2x into something. So we want answer 6x cube. So in 2 table there is 6. 2 3s are 6. So we got answer 6. Now x, we want here x cube. So we have to multiply with x square. X into x cube. So we got the answer x cube. X into x square, we got the answer x cube. So we have to write this one: 3x square. 3x square. So we will get 6x cube. 0, then plus 8x square. Now we want this 8x square with 2x. 2x multiplied by something, so we got answer 8x square. अभी हमको 8x square आंसर चाहिए, तो 2 के टेबल में 8 आता है easily. 2 4s are 8. So we got here 8. Now x into x. So x into x, we got here x square. तो हम लोग इधर 8x square आराम से निकाल सकते हैं. कैसे? इसको 4x से मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे तो मतलब 2x into plus 4x. So we got here 8x square. 8x square minus x square, it is 0. So what is the answer of this one? 3x square plus 4x. I see. Thus with the same method we can solve big questions also. Let's learn.